Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. Today we're going to be doing this look right here. It's fun, colorful, purple smoky eyes. I absolutely love how it came out and how everything looks. If you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join the family. Let's learn together, explore together, and test together new makeup products and trends. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. I already primed my face, so I am gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. And my foundation today is from Too Faced Born This Way in a shade Nude. And with my 3D Sigma blender, I'm going to be applying it all over my face. For the eyebrows today, I'm going to be using Anastasia eBunny. And with my Sigma A65, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. The eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using Born This Way from Too Faced, the multi-use sculpting concealer. You already know, for those of you who are watching, you already know this stuff is my total favorite. I'm gonna apply it with my Sigma E62 brush. And today I'm going to be creating this look off of the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collab. And I'm gonna start with Bling Boss using the Hush Hush. And I'm gonna apply it all over my crease. For that, I'm using a Sigma E25 brush. I'm gonna go in with a Sigma gel eyeliner. And I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. That's going to serve as a base. This way we can intensify this color and make it so vibrant, stay long, and look amazing. Now with Sigma E25, I'm going to go in the eyeshadow gem, and I'm going to top it all over my eyelid where I applied the gel eyeliner. So I'm just press and wiggle, press and wiggle. This way the eyeshadow melts into the gel eyeliner and gets that hold. It will stay longer and it will have less fallout too. To highlight my brow bone, I'm gonna go into the Naked Cosmetics holographic highlighter palette, and I'm gonna go into this color right here. And I'm going to apply it with my favorite brush for this, E04. And I'm gonna go back into Hush Hush, and I'm gonna blend all of them together a little bit better. Make the transition flawless. Then I'm gonna go back with the gem and add a little more color over here. There we go. Perfect. This color is so pretty. I'm living with the same color that I used for my brow bow. I'm gonna go in the inner corner. But although I love this, I love this color, I want to add a little more spice, so I'm gonna go into the Arbed Gorgeous palette and add the color VIP. Okay. Although you can stop here and just pop the mascara and eyelashes and you're good to go, but this girl needs her winged liner today. For the eyeliner today, I'm using Sigma. Ta-da! Looks good. What do you guys think? I think it looks good. Right, what I want to do is add a little more color at the end right here. Maybe a little more here. Oh yeah. Totally. Isn't this color beautiful? Such a beautiful color. A little bit of mascara. For the mascara today, I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. For the lashes today, I'm going to be using Lilo Lashes in collab with Sephora. I think these are completely discontinued. This is a Havana, but I still like them, so I still keep them. To highlight my face and conceal, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Porcelain. And with my 3D HD Sigma blender, I'm going to apply it all over. And the reason why I love this, because of the sharp edges, I can get into the corner without any troubles. Normally with a beauty blender, that would be a little more tricky. Not impossible, but trickier. So this blender definitely made my job a lot easier and faster. The difference, you can tell. I love this concealer. I use it for so many purposes. And I'm going to set my foundation and concealer with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I am just tapping it in. I'm going to add gel eyeliner in the waterline and spread it a little bit under the eye. And with my Sigma E30, I'm just gonna go in and buff it all out, blend the edges, and then I'm gonna go in with the gem. There we go. And then with a clean brush, I'm just gonna go and buff it all out. Then a little bit of mascara. To bronze out my face, I'm gonna go into Sigma Sculpt and Highlight. And with my F37 brush, I'm gonna go into the Pop-In. With my F03 Sigma brush, I'm gonna go into the highlighter and I'm gonna apply it. For the lips, I'm gonna go with the Sigma New Mod. And I'm gonna top it with All Heart Lip Fix from Sigma. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, give us a big like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I love you all and I can't wait to see you on my next one. Bye, guys.